Dubrovnik, a city of ancient walls and timeless beauty. But when the sun sets, a different Dubrovnik emerges. The city sheds its daytime skin and transforms. The air crackles with anticipation. Music spills out from hidden doorways. Laughter echoes through the narrow stone streets. This is Dubrovnik after dark, a night owl's paradise. Imagine this, you're strolling along the ancient city walls as the sky turns a fiery orange. The scent of salt water mingles with the aroma of freshly baked bread. The stars begin to twinkle above you. You can feel the energy of the city changing. It's becoming more electric, more alive. This isn't just nightlife, this is Dubrovnik's nightlife. It's a chance to experience the city's heart and soul. It's a chance to connect with its history and its people. So, are you ready to explore the thrilling adventure that is Dubrovnik's nightlife? Let's dive in. Dubrovnik's nightlife scene is as diverse as the city itself. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant playground for night owls and party enthusiasts alike. Whether you crave the pulsing energy of a nightclub, where the beats are infectious and the atmosphere electric, or the laid-back vibe of a cozy bar, Dubrovnik has something for you. The city offers a spectrum of experiences from high-energy dance floors to intimate corners where you can unwind with friends. Let's start with Revelin Club. This iconic venue is not just any club. Housed within a 16th-century fortress, it stands as a Dubrovnik institution. The historic architecture combined with modern beats creates an unparalleled atmosphere. It's the place to be seen, dance the night away, and enjoy world-class DJs. Revelin Club is where history meets the present in the most exhilarating way. For a more intimate setting, head to Buža Bar. This spot offers a completely different experience. This hidden gem is perched on a cliff overlooking the Adriatic Sea. The views are breathtaking, and the ambiance is perfect for a relaxed evening. Sip on a cocktail as the sun sets, and the waves crash against the rocks below. It's a serene escape from the bustling city life. If you're looking for live music, check out Troubadour Hard Jazz Cafe. This venue is a haven for music lovers. This intimate venue hosts local and international jazz musicians, creating a soulful and unforgettable experience. The music here resonates with the soul of the city. These are just a few of the many incredible venues that make up Dubrovnik's nightlife. Each spot has its own charm and character. Each one offers a unique experience, a different flavor of the city after dark. Whether you're a party animal or someone who enjoys a quiet drink, Dubrovnik's nightlife has something special for everyone. Dubrovnik's nightlife scene is generally relaxed, but some establishments have dress codes, especially the more upscale clubs. It's always a good idea to dress to impress, especially if you're planning on hitting the dance floor. Leave the flip-flops and beachwear at home. Opt for a more stylish outfit. Think smart casual. A button-down shirt, slacks, or a dress will usually do the trick. Cover charges vary depending on the venue and the night. Expect to pay around 10 to 20 euros for entry into most clubs, especially during peak season. Some bars might have a small cover charge on weekends or for special events. Remember, it's always a good idea to check the venue's website or social media pages for the most up-to-date information on dress codes and cover charges. No night out in Dubrovnik is complete without sampling the local drinks. From refreshing cocktails to potent brandies, there's something to tantalize every palate. Start with a classic Croatian cocktail, the bamboos. This refreshing blend of white wine, prosecco, and maraschino liqueur is perfect for sipping on a warm evening. For a taste of local history, try rakia, a potent fruit brandy. This fiery spirit is often enjoyed as a digestive, and is said to have medicinal properties. If you're feeling adventurous, ask the bartender for their signature cocktail. Many bars in Dubrovnik have their own unique creations, often inspired by local ingredients and flavors. Section 5. Echoes of History, where Dubrovnik's past meets its present. Dubrovnik's nightlife isn't just about letting loose, it's also about experiencing the city's rich history and culture. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant hub where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The cobblestone streets, which have witnessed centuries of history, now echo with the sounds of laughter and music. Many of the city's most popular nightlife spots are housed in historic buildings, adding an extra layer of intrigue to your night out. Imagine dancing in a venue that once hosted medieval banquets, or walking through corridors that have seen countless historical events unfold. Take Revelin Club, for example. This isn't just any club, it's a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Located within the walls of a 16th-century fortress that once protected the city from invaders, this club offers a unique blend of history and hedonism. The thick stone walls, which once stood as a bulwark against enemies, now reverberate with the beats of contemporary music. As you dance the night away, imagine the battles that once raged outside these very walls. The juxtaposition of past conflicts and present celebrations creates an atmosphere that's both thrilling and surreal. Or consider Buža Bar, perched precariously on the cliffs outside the city walls. This bar is not just a place to enjoy a drink, it's a vantage point that offers a breathtaking perspective on Dubrovnik's maritime history. This bar offers stunning views of the Adriatic Sea, the same sea that brought traders, explorers, and conquerors to Dubrovnik's shores for centuries. As you sip your drink, you can almost hear the whispers of ancient mariners and the clinking of merchant ships. Even the cocktails in Dubrovnik have a story to tell. Each drink is a blend of flavors that reflect the city's rich cultural tapestry. The maraschino liqueur used in many local drinks is made from a special type of cherry grown in the Dubrovnik region since the 15th century. This liqueur, with its deep, rich flavor, is a testament to the city's enduring agricultural traditions and its ability to adapt and thrive through the ages. Section 6. Hidden Taverns and Local Haunts. Unveiling Dubrovnik's Secrets. While the main squares and streets of Dubrovnik are brimming with bars and clubs, some of the city's most authentic nightlife experiences are tucked away down hidden alleyways and in local neighborhoods. Venture beyond the beaten path and discover charming taverns where you can rub shoulders with locals and enjoy traditional Croatian music. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the real Dubrovnik, away from the tourist crowds. Ask a local for their favorite konoba, a traditional Croatian tavern. These cozy establishments often serve homemade wine and local specialties like peka, a dish of meat and vegetables slow-cooked under a bell-shaped lid. Don't be afraid to explore and get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Dubrovnik. You never know what hidden treasures you might uncover. Section 7. Navigating the night transport budget and etiquette. Getting around Dubrovnik at night is easy and affordable. The city is well lit and feels safe, making it a pleasant experience to explore after dark. The old town, where most of the nightlife is concentrated, is easily walkable. Its narrow cobblestone streets are filled with charm and history, making every stroll an adventure. Strolling through the illuminated streets at night is an experience in itself. The ambiance is magical, with the soft glow of streetlights casting a romantic hue over the ancient architecture. If you're staying outside the old town, taxis are readily available. They are a convenient option for getting back to your accommodation after a night out. You can also use Uber or the local ride-hailing app Cameo. These services are reliable and can be easily accessed through your smartphone. Just be sure to agree on a price with the driver before you set off. This helps avoid any misunderstandings and ensures a smooth ride. Dubrovnik can be a pricey city, but there are plenty of ways to enjoy the nightlife on a budget. Many bars and clubs offer special deals that can help you save money. Look out for happy hour deals and drink specials at bars and clubs. These offers usually run in the early evening and can significantly cut down your expenses. Many establishments offer discounted drinks during certain hours. It's a great way to enjoy the vibrant nightlife without breaking the bank. When it comes to etiquette, Dubrovnik is generally relaxed. The locals are friendly and welcoming, making it easy to feel at home. However, it's always a good idea to be respectful of the locals and their customs. Simple gestures of politeness go a long way in ensuring a pleasant experience for everyone. Avoid being overly loud or intoxicated, especially in the quieter parts of the city. This helps maintain the peaceful atmosphere that Dubrovnik is known for. Section 8. Safety first, fun always, tips and tricks for a smooth night out. Dubrovnik is a very safe city, but it's always wise to take precautions, especially when you're out at night. Here are a few tips to help you stay safe and have a smooth night out. Stick to well-lit areas. Avoid walking alone down dark alleys or deserted streets. Keep your valuables secure. Be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Drink responsibly, pace yourself, drink plenty of water, and know your limits. Use reputable transportation. Opt for licensed taxis or ride-hailing services. Let someone know your plans. Tell a friend or family member where you're going and when you expect to be back. By following these simple tips, you can relax and enjoy your night out in Dubrovnik with peace of mind. Section 9. Capture the magic. Share your Dubrovnik nightlife adventure. Dubrovnik's nightlife is an experience that stays with you long after the music fades and the lights come up. It's a tapestry of vibrant energy, historical charm, and unforgettable moments. As you explore the city after dark, capture the magic with your camera. Share your adventures, your favorite spots, and your unique experiences with the world. Use the hashtag #DubrovnikAfterDark to connect with fellow night owls and inspire others to discover the thrill of Dubrovnik's nightlife. So what are you waiting for? The night is young, and Dubrovnik awaits. Go out there, explore, discover, and create your own unforgettable Dubrovnik nightlife adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.